So in this video segment, we're going to talk about constructing the rotor for the turbine. And in order to construct the rotor is made out of cork. So here's a piece of cork, and I actually bought this from the dollar store. It's a cork coaster. They're very cheap. You get a packet of 3 for about $1. And you take a couple of these pieces of cork and you stick them together. So here is basically 2 pieces of cork stuck together with some super glue. And then you cut out about 1.5 or 1 inch diameter circle out of the cork to produce something that looks like this. So here's an assembled rotor disc. So you basically see it's 2 pieces of cork that are glued together by some super glue. All right. So once we have these 2 pieces of cork glued together and assembled, we need about 3 or 4 popsicle sticks. So these are popsicle sticks, and you can actually buy them either in the dollar store or in the pharmacy section of your supermarket. And we take these popsicle sticks, we club them together, and we put some super glue on them, and then we cut out a length equal to the diameter of the cork. So we get something that looks like this here. So these are basically 3 popsicle sticks that have been glued together, and we glue them together with some super glue. Now what we have done here is, you see, with a small drill I have made 3 small holes here, right? The center hole here is for the shaft of the motor to go into. So the shaft of the motor will sort of go in here like this, into the center shaft, as so. And these other 2 little holes are so that we can put in a couple of small screws like this, small screws in here, and bolt this down to the rotor like I'm showing you there. All right, so to recap, the cork disc is made out of 2 pieces of cork cut into about 1 inch, 1.5 inch diameter and glued together. 3 popsicle sticks glued to each other, 3 holes drilled, center hole for the shaft of the rotor, the 2 side holes for the screws.